2025 luxury lighting, stylish designs, smart tech, and chic ambience for elegant interior spaces. In 2025, luxury lighting takes center stage as it redefines elegance by seamlessly weaving together focal decor, smart illumination, and timeless aesthetics, thereby crafting a warm, inviting ambience. This innovative approach transforms any area into a sophisticated retreat. Whether it is the grandeur of statement, chandeliers and expansive entryways, or the subtle charm of soft LED accents in cozy reading nooks. Today's lighting solutions not only illuminate spaces, but also set the mood, allowing homeowners to effortlessly tailor their environment for relaxation, productivity, or social gatherings. Modern technology, such as voice-activated dimmers, motion sensor fixtures, and adaptive brightness options, ensures that personalizing one's living space has never been more convenient or intuitive. Whether elevating the luxurious ambience of a living room or lending a refined touch to an elegant dining area, these advanced lighting solutions ensure a perfect balance of beauty and functionality. Emerging trends in lighting emphasize sustainability, while maintaining an unwavering commitment to style. Energy-efficient LED technologies, solar-powered outdoor options, and automated dimming systems integrate modern technology with luxury design. This combination not only promotes environmental consciousness, but also enhances aesthetic appeal. The use of sculptural pendant lights over kitchen islands, recessed LED strips illuminating hallways, and soft backlit mirrors in spa-like bathrooms adds visual depth and a sense of completeness to any area. By skillfully layering different lighting types, homeowners can accentuate the architectural beauty of a space, highlight high-end decor elements, and foster an atmosphere that is both cozy and elegant. A well-lit home transcends aesthetics, offering an experiential upgrade that enhances everyday living. Whether crafting a serene indoor courtyard with an ambient glow or adding a touch of glamour to a bedroom with crystal chandeliers, lighting choices have the power to elevate a home's elegance significantly. Integrating the latest smart home automation technologies, aligned with expert insights into decorative lighting and statement fixtures. The 2025 lighting trends inspire the creation of a living space that is refined, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. This evolution in lighting design signifies more than a functional necessity, represents an artful convergence of technology and luxury, transforming spaces into sophisticated sanctuaries tailored to the lifestyles of their inhabitants.